Your love has given my life new purpose and direction. It's the motivation behind my dream and the source, my strength. With you, I have found a love that is both profound and enduring, a love that transcends time and space. You are the missing piece in the puzzle of my life, and I thank my lucky stars for bringing you into my world. If I woke up one day and did not see your beautiful face, my day would be empty. You would not allow me not to see you in a day. If you understood how much my heart longed for you, I am geniusly, deeply, and madly in love with you. You are a precious gift to my heart from the first day I meet you, honey. I fall deeply inside in love. I will always love you to the eternity.